Welcome to TechQuest channel. This is for the Tech by Your Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about lactate dehydrogenase, the enzyme. Lactate dehydrogenase is a hydrogen transfer enzyme that catalyzes the oxidation of L-lactate to pyruvate with the mediation of NAD+ as hydrogen acceptor. The reaction is reversible and the reaction equilibrium strongly favors the reaction of pyruvate to lactate, the reverse reaction. The pH optimum for the lactate to pyruvate reaction is 8.8 to 9.8 and 7.4 to 7.8 for pyruvate to lactate. The optimum pH varies with the predominant isoenzymes in the sample and depends on the temperature and substrate and the buffer concentrations. Lactate dehydrogenase activity is present in all the body cells and invariably is found only in the cytoplasm of the cell. The leakage of enzyme from even a small mass of damaged tissue increases the level significantly. Isoenzymes are multiple forms of enzymes that differ in amino acid sequence but catalyze the same chemical reaction. There are 5 isoenzymes in lactate dehydrogenase and new isoenzyme lactate dehydrogenase 6 may be released from the liver when the prognosis is poor. Earlier, it was identified as alcohol dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase clinical significance. Lactate dehydrogenase values may be elevated moderately in case of myocarditis and cardiac failure with hepatic congestion. Severe shock and anoxia can raise the value. Severe hemolysis raises the lactose dehydrogenase level, similar to myocardial infarction. Elevations of lactate dehydrogenase activity are present in the serum of individuals with the liver disease. Increased levels are with renal disease, especially with tubular necrosis and pyelonephritis. Individuals with malignant disease demonstrate increased lactate dehydrogenase activity in serum up to 70% with liver metastasis, and 20 to 60% of those do not have hepatic metastasis have elevated total lactate dehydrogenase activity. Leukemias shows only moderate elevation of serum lactate dehydrogenase. In exudates caused by malignancy, lactate dehydrogenase 2 is unusually high. Lactate dehydrogenase 5 moderately increased in muscular dystrophy. Elevated levels in serum also encountered in pulmonary embolism. Lactate dehydrogenase in urine. Elevated lactate dehydrogenase activity seen in urine 3 to 6 times of higher than normal in chronic glomerulonephritis, systemic lupus erythematosus, diabetic nephrosclerosis, and bladder and kidney malignancies. The pH of the urine and the presence of inhibitors like urea and small peptides may interfere with the test. In CSF, lactate dehydrogenase 5 is elevated in metastatic tumors. Usage in CSF is complicated by the possibility of contamination by hemorrhage or destruction of blood-brain barrier allows WBC present in the sample. All bacterial and fungal meningitis, the value exceeds 35 and in viral meningitis, it's less than 35 ml. Lab test. The multiplicity of forward lactate to pyruvate and reverse pyruvate to lactate reactions are used in assay methods. Both methods have advantages and disadvantages, but recent years significant move has shifted from the pyruvate to lactate, from lactate to pyruvate reaction, and towards 35 degrees centigrade as assay temperature. Specimens. Serum is the preferred sample as plasma can contain platelets that contains high concentration of lactate dehydrogenase. Serum should be separated immediately and hemolyzed samples are not suitable for testing because erythrocytes contain 150 times more lactate dehydrogenase activity. lactate dehydrogenase 4 and lactate dehydrogenase 5 are labile. In tissue extracts, all activity is lost if the extracts are stored at minus 20 degrees centigrade for overnight. Lab methods for total LDH estimation. Lactate dehydrogenase measured utilizing lactate as a substrate. Lactate dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidation of lactate to pyruvate, reducing nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide to NADH. The activity of lactate dehydrogenase can be determined by the rate of increase in absorbance at 340 nanometer as NADH produced. This method uses NAD, lithium lactate, and KCl using a pH of 9 plus or minus 0.1. Pyruvate to lactate method. Lactate dehydrogenase catalyzes the reaction between pyruvate and NADH to produce NAD plus and L-lactate. This initial rate of the NADH oxidation is directly proportional to the catalytic lactate dehydrogenase activity. It is determined by measuring the decrease in absorbance at 340 nanometer. Kinetic UV method is used for taking the readings. Reference range. Values of lactate dehydrogenase activity in serum vary considerably depending on the direction of the enzyme reaction, types of method used, and experimental parameters like temperature. Each lab has to determine the reference range in the normal population. For lactate to pyruvate reaction at pH 8.8 to 9, at 30 degrees centigrade, it is 35 to 88 units per liter. At 37 degrees centigrade, it's 125 to 225 units per liter. For pyruvate to lactate reaction, the pH at 7.4 at 30 degrees centigrade, it is 95 to 200 units per liter. For CSF, pyruvate to lactate at 30 degrees centigrade is 7 to 30 units per liter. For urine lactate to pyruvate reaction at 25 degrees centigrade, it is 42 to 92. Isoenzymes. Lactate dehydrogenase isoenzymes, there are 5. Lactate dehydrogenase 1 is HART and RBCs. 2 is present in WBCs, also in HART and RBC, but lesser amount compared to LDH1. LDH3 found in lung tissue platelets. LDH4 is found in WBCs, kidney and pancreas cells and lymph nodes. Lactate dehydrogenase 5 found in liver and muscles of skeleton. The normal percentage of isoenzymes. Lactate dehydrogenase 1 is 17% to 27%. LDH2 is 27 to 37. LDH3 is 18 to 25%. LDH4 is 3 to 8%. LDH5 is 0 to 5%. Normally, LDH1 is lesser than LDH2. When LDH1 is greater than 2, it is called flipped LDH, means presence of anemia. LDH5 is less than LDH4. When LDH5 is more than LDH4, it indicates damage to the liver or liver disease. This includes cirrhosis and hepatitis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Write your comments.